bike. You're not cool until you got a neon bike with a neon mask and neon glasses. Now that's fucking cool. You know that I like to do all kinds of do-it-yourself crafty shit. I like making things light up. I like making things move. I like stuff that makes noise. I'm just a little kid in an adult body. So in this vlog, I'm going to light up a bike. I do some glasses and what else did I do? And paper mache masks. I got these paper mache masks on Amazon. They're super cheap. I light those up too. And this vlog is gonna be split into two parts. It's way too fucking long, but I also got like some clothing, some tote bags. I'm gonna try doing, a little bit of everything. So if you're curious as to what L-Wire is, how it works, how to attach it, what you can do with it, stay tuned. I'm gonna do it all right now. D-Vlog, bitches. So I'm gonna outline the entire frame in L-Wire, electroluminescent wire. And to do that, I just got some zip ties, a 32-foot strand of blue neon wire, and little wire clippies. And I've already poked a tiny hole in the back. So what I'm gonna do is put the inverter inside, have that inside here, run the wire out of the back, and then we're just gonna outline the entire frame with the wire. I got 32 feet of wire for 10 bucks. You can do a whole lot with 32 feet of wire. Oh shit. So, here we go. That's how you do a Tron bike. was cool. But, what else can we do with the L wire? I came across these masks on Amazon. They're like Japanese something masks. They have all kinds of different animals, foxes, cats, bears, whatever. Well, I have a few more of these little wires. And I don't know if you've ever seen the movie The Purge. Fantastic movie. You know, they have all these crazy people running around with guns and knives and crazy masks killing each other. So what better accessory to a neon lit bike than a neon lit mask? We're gonna try a few different techniques on making one of these Purge masks. Let's give it a shot. So I'm gonna drill a bunch of holes and then put the wire through, you know, as if I'm stitching it. I'm gonna try that first. Let's drill some holes and see what we come up with. So these masks are pretty cheap. I think I got like 5 or 6 of them for like $5. So like, yeah, $1 a piece. I'm gonna mark the holes with a pencil, drill some holes, feed the wire through, and then, yeah, that's it. So let's do that. You know, the other thing that I'm thinking is that I want this in my pocket, and this isn't long enough. For this to be in my pocket, I need to make like an extension cable or something. Luckily, I have wire, and I have these are called DuPont connections. You just strip a little bit of wire off, crimp them on. So I'll show you how to do that. First, let's get the mask wired up, I guess, and then from there we'll see exactly how long of an extension cable is needed to have this in my pocket and this on my face. Alright, let's see how this works. Well, that seemed to work out pretty good. Let's connect the battery pack and see what it looks like. Yeah! You can cut this wire too. You can cut it to length. As I was saying, the battery pack isn't long enough to where I could stick it in my pocket or, you know, put it anywhere to where it's out of the way. But I got wires. What you need these are those little DuPont connections. You can get a kit like this off of Amazon for like $10. The kits come with the metal prongs. You know, you just break them off. You know, if you're a do-it-yourselfer and do a lot of projects and shit, this is a pretty useful thing to have. And knowing how to crimp your own wires, it's invaluable. You know, I can't even say how much time, effort, and money I've saved by being able to, you know, do my own wires. I've got some strippers, some crimpers, some needle nose pliers, wire. There's the female ends and then there's the male ends. And just bend them off. Need 4 of them. 2 female ones and 2 male ones. Get your wire, strip the end of it. Extension cable. When you're making these extensions, these ends here, you know, like the holes are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever the fuck, however many you have. If you put the white wire in hole number 1, well then the other end has to go into hole number 1 too. Let's make sure this works. Okay, so now there's plenty of room to put this in my pocket and then have my mask up here. That's how we do that. Alright, back to the mask making. I'm gonna take this wire out and redo the entire thing because I just want to utilize the rest of the wire instead of cutting it. What really works the best is this compass and just kind of pushing it through. I guess that gives you like the most control. Yeah, let's go ahead and string this up. I don't know. We'll see what else we can do. I got a bunch of these puppets here. Maybe we'll make some light up puppets too. I don't fucking know. D-vlog, bitches. Light it up. Yeah. I'm curious whether or not a hot glue gun is better than trying to stitch it. You know, what if you just want to outline the entire mask? I'm just going to run a thin bead of glue around the outside and see if I can attach it that way. Huh, that works too. Yeah, when you glue it, it takes a little longer. You got to do it kind of slow. You know, this would work out too. I found that instead of using a drill, I got this little compass, and taking the compass and putting it wherever you want to put it, it makes the perfect size hole, and it's a lot more precise and safer than using a fucking drill. Aside from the masks, I think another cool thing to do would be to light these glasses up. This one here, the brush and nozzle one, you can undo this, and it's got a little brush. I'm going to brush a little bit of glue along the sides here, and then just go around. Turn off the lights and I glow, bitches. Like, I'm not saying that you're not cool. I'm just saying that you're not as cool as me. Now that's fucking cool.